Welcome to my clean white motherboard setup build. Today I'm installing this stunning piece of hardware, the T-FORCE Delta RGB DDR5 gaming memory in pristine white. This 16 GB module runs at a blazing 5600 MHz, delivering the perfect balance of speed and reliability for gaming, content creation and everyday multitasking. Designed by Team Group, the Delta RGB series features a sleek, aerodynamic look inspired by stealth aircraft, with ultra-wide 120-degree RGB lighting that spreads beautifully across the module. What I love most, it perfectly matches my all-white PC theme. The clean white heat spreader looks premium and elegant, while the customizable RGB lights sync seamlessly with my motherboard's Aura Sync or other RGB software. Key highlights: supports Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo for easy one-click overclocking. Equipped with power management IC and reinforced cooling for stable and efficient performance. On-die ECC for better system stability and error correction. High-quality IC selected for maximum reliability. Lifetime warranty from Team Group. Peace of mind guaranteed.